Hey guys, it's Wednesday morning. Getting some snow. It seems really light right now, and we're expecting a wild ride up here today. They are really selling everybody that there's going to be a rare wind event today with 100-mile-an-hour winds. Even 60 to 80-mile-an-hour winds down in the city, which is unheard of. 100 miles up here is bad, but it's not unheard of. But down in the city, it is. And since we're getting snow, there's going to be whiteout conditions. And I'm going to keep showing you as the day goes along I leave here about 9. So I'm going to show you what we're dealing with as we go throughout the day. What you see back there is the kitchen. This is what's outside. Okay, that was Honey. He made it to work. He was letting me know road conditions down Squaw Pass is snowy and slippery. So that's the view of the water feature from our bedroom. And like I said, not much snow. You could see just kind of a dusting on the car, but things are getting white. And when the wind starts blowing, and I said about 9, what time is it now? It is 10 minutes till 7. I think I showed you the view about an hour ago. So about 10 minutes till 6. And I'll show you in about an hour from now what's happening. They're showing videos on the news of what it's like about 40 miles west of us at the Eisenhower Tunnel, and it is insane. So yeah, kind of scary today. Kind of scary. Oh guys, I was just sitting here on my computer, not even paying attention, and you can see the wind is picking up and really blowing that snow around. Let's go look out the front. Yeah. It's definitely, I don't know if can you see how the snow is just blowing. Kind of nervous about today. It's really, yeah, kind of nervous. Let's look out the back. Oh my gosh. Let's open the door so you can hear. No, Sheba, you're not going outside. Oh, it doesn't sound crazy. I brought up all the patio furniture over there. I'm worried about this stuff, so I'm probably going to pull that up. Oh my God, it's winter in the mountains. I'm excited and scared. Okay guys, I'm headed out, and you're gonna see that it looks like it's clearing up, but that's because the wind is just now headed our way. The snow is over, and now it's time for wind, and I'm hoping to get down the hill before that gets real bad. And this is my first time really driving these snow tires in actual snow. So, I mean, we had a little bit, but nothing like where the road was covered like this. So, I have the dogs with me. I didn't want to leave them at home because if the winds are as bad as they're saying, it could get kind of scary in the house for an animal that doesn't understand what's happening. And also, if some flying debris should hit one of the windows and break it, that would be really terrifying for them. So although I'm not excited to drive down the mountain with them, I'm gonna do it because the alternative is pretty scary for these guys. So like you can see, the sky is clearing up, but they said not to let that fool you because it's coming. And they have shown a video on the news about how windy it is further west, and it's coming this way. Somebody asked if this road was really narrow. There's parts of this road that are really narrow, but they are wide enough that you could pull over and let the other person pass. You just both can't like probably be driving at the same time. I don't know if you guys can see that, the swirling snow and the wind blowing the snow across the road. I can sure see it. I don't know if it's coming out that good on video. So anyway, I'm just going to take you to the end of the neighborhood dirt road here, and then I'm going to turn this off and pay really close attention. Because see, the road here, you could see like here, 2 cars could be going at the same time, but back there, you really have to kind of pull off and let the other person pass and then continue on your way. So it's, my car says it's 27 degrees out, which it really isn't that cold for up here. We had gotten down to below 0 already a couple of times. But anyway, yeah, I still got a little ways to go before I get off the dirt road, but I'm gonna let you go. See you guys later, and I'll keep you abreast of the situation. Okay, this is how much the patio furniture moved. It is still fairly windy. The water feature did the same thing as it did the other day. There's a ton of snow blown up against the house. And there's a tree down in the driveway. So Honey's on his way home to get things situated. Can you hear it? It was like so bad earlier. And it is cold. Okay, I'm out in the car because I'm waiting for Honey to get here so he can. I told him, I said, I think you can probably move this tree over by hand, but I tried to move it a little bit and I'm thinking maybe no, but he can get the chainsaw out and cut it. So that's the tree down in the driveway. And it literally just uprooted it. And it's cold. It says 22, but with the chill factor, I guarantee you it's close to 0. And the neighbor texted me and said there are a lot more trees down further down our street because we're only the 3rd house in. So anyway, there it is. Here's the schedule for today. And there's our bandanas. We put really cute bandanas on the dogs. And look at these candy canes we got. Crazy. They go down below the thing. So, yeah, my home away from home. There's all the tree bags for today. Look at our cute little dog. because 2020 was a real shit show. Say hi, YouTube. Say hi, YouTube. Is this the same dog you were working on? So hey guys, so last night, oh God, did you see that? Last night was the night after the big windstorm, and I was already sleeping, and Honey comes in and goes, we have more downed trees. So we have these two that were clearly uprooted. And then there's another one right there that was uprooted. So that's, oh look, there's a squirrel. Oh, it's not a squirrel, it's a chipmunk. Okay. Anyway. So there's 3 over there. There's that one there, another one, a big one back there, and another one. So that's 6. Plus the one up front, that's 7. Wow, I'm gonna have to walk around because one of those is monstrous. Have I shown the back side of the retaining wall? It's a lot of rock. But I so love that we did it. Okay, I gotta go tell Honey there's even more than he thought. And is there one over here? The water feature is off. Ooh. There's a lot of ice right there. I can't tell if that one's new. Wow. Okay guys, again, here is the tree that's down, that was in the driveway. I'm gonna go up this hill outside of the snow and look at what's up here, because this tree looks like it's down, and it's freshly down. We'll see. I think so. Well, it looks like it broke. Look at that. Yep. And right there. And then this one's down. This one's uprooted. Wow. I don't know where this one broke from. Oh! From right there. Wow. Wow. I wonder what it would have been like to be up here. Honey just noticed that one's down. It's uprooted. Come on, let's go down this way.
Look, this one's completely gone. I don't even know where this one went.
Shut up. Look at all those. They're completely gone. Oh no, here's another one. Just kidding. Those are ones that were cut down before.
There's one that's snapped.
Where?
Right there. Right there.
Why can't I see it? Oh, that?
Yeah.
Oh. It looks like it just came uprooted. There's one a little further over, deeper by Rob's house. I don't remember this one here.
Yeah, that one's been there.
That one's been there? Okay.
I've been thinking I'm going to have to take this one down
Why?
because my thoughts are if this one ever came over, it would destroy our fence.
I know, but it's living. Maybe that skinny one. Look at this skinny one that's dead. That one needs to come down. Because that one could damage the liner to the pond or the water feature. Okay. Contestant number, I don't know, how many were up there? 3 or 4? 3?
Yeah.
Here's 4. Here's 5.
I'm going to go ahead and call that one. See the roots coming up?
You don't think that one was, no, I guess they wouldn't have had roots up.
Yeah.
So that's 6. And this one back there is 7. And these are healthy trees. See that one back there? You couldn't really see that one. 8.
I saw that one last night.
No, behind it.
Oh, yeah.
9, 10. What about this? What the hell happened here? Where did that tree go? Could that have... That wasn't like that.
Are you sure?
Yeah. So there's...
I think it was, honey, because that's been cut.
It's just weird who would have pulled the stump out of the ground?
Oh, you know what? That one was like that because I remember cutting that one up.
Okay. So then there's this one. And there's one underneath this one that's tied in with this one. So right here, there's 1, 2, 3.
Holy cow.
I mean, this one was dead, so I get that. What about those down there? Were those already?
They were.
So we've got like a dozen. We lost about a dozen.
Probably.
Wow. Good thing we have about 1 million. I'm surprised the teepee is like still there. We got a bunch more kindling right here. I'll have to come out and gather up more. Oh, a lot of the teepee did kind of come down. There's a lot more down than was before. Okay, I gotta go work.
Where are you going?
I'm gonna go around this way. Well, this back Pride Rock didn't go anywhere. Ooh, it's cold. Did the camper move at all?
I also did this.
Well, that's a really small brick. All right, back to the front. Hey guys, it's Saturday morning and it's negative 3 right now. And wanted to show you that yesterday this was completely ice-free. Completely. So this is one night of sub-zero temperatures. And yeah, it's flowing out again. You could see some of that. But the pond or the water feature people are coming up on Tuesday, and they're going to build up this section so that we don't have this problem anymore. So unfortunately, we have all this debris on top of the pond. We have some debris over there. I'm going to get this all cleaned up tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday. And look how cool it looks. The formations that happen with the aerator underneath the water. And it is freaky diggy freezing out here. I'm in my nightgown. So Honey broke up all that ice yesterday, but it's all frozen again. So the broke up pieces are now frozen. And yeah, that's the so-called heater. And it is just, oh, okay. It is literally just to keep a hole open. I'm gonna have to get something. It just needs to keep a hole open. And it is doing that because that keeps water flow going into the skip. There's Sheba drinking some ice water. I am not happy the dogs have started pooping up here. I'm gonna have to nip that in the butt. There's our morning. It's freezing. It's so freezing. But yeah, you can see the water is still flowing. Obviously you can hear it. And I'm going in because it's cold. And we'll see you guys next week. Let me know what you think of our crazy, crazy weather.